How to fix Instagram keeps crashing on your Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is so easy, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone. As you can see, let's go to settings and now search for the apps manager. Click on apps like this, and now all what you have to do is click on apps again, and now make sure to search for Instagram like this and click on it. Now all what you have to do is just go to this permissions option and make sure. Now all what you have to do is disable all those permissions and enable them back, and then go back, click on force stop, and then go to storage. Now click on the clear cache option. After you click on clear cache, now click on clear data. Now go back, and then all what you have to do is go to this data usage and make sure that the background data and the roaming data is disabled. Now go back to the home page and restart your phone, and then try the Instagram, and I am sure the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.